Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to edit your first video using Microsoft's Clipchamp app. So to get started, I'm going to go to clipchamp.com in my web browser here. I'm using Google Chrome, and just click on try for free at the top right of our screen. So this should sign you into the Microsoft website. I'm already signed in with my Microsoft account. That's why it didn't ask me to enter my email or anything. So now that we're here, we're going to go ahead and click on create a new video. And it's going to take a minute or two to load. This depends on your internet connection. Usually the faster, the more responsive the website. But as you can see, that didn't take very long. So now, if you look at the top left of your screen, you're going to see a button called Import Media. I'm going to click on that, and I'm just going to import some stock footage here. So this is going to upload, and hopefully it doesn't take too long. Again, it depends a little bit on your internet connection, but if you have decently fast Wi-Fi, it shouldn't take very long. So to get started, we're going to drag our videos into our timeline here. You can already see it says drag and drop media here. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm just going to drag this into my timeline and this into my timeline. And if you can see, while a clip is selected, you're going to see this trim bars at the start and at the end. And you can change that. You can move it around to cut out some parts and to make them shorter. And there we go. So if you look here, there's also a split function with a keyboard shortcut set as S. So if I go to somewhere on my timeline, let's say about here, and then I click on this button or press S on my keyboard, it's going to split the media into two parts. And this is pretty useful if, let's say, you want to cut out one portion in the middle. I'm going to hit delete on my keyboard, and I'm going to move the rest of the video back over. So as you can see, it skipped forward a little bit. So once that's done and you've dragged all the media you want into your timeline and made appropriate trims and adjustments, you can now export your video. And to do so, simply click on the export button here at the top right of your screen, and you're going to see a few options. So 4K is currently a premium feature, and I'll just be exporting them in 1080p. So I'm going to give it a file name. Let's call this quick video test. And then I'm going to uncheck store in the cloud just because I don't want it to use up my storage space for Microsoft. So now it's going to render. And the great thing about Clipchamp, it's hosted on the web, so you don't really need a strong PC to be able to edit videos very quickly. Not like with other programs, other traditional programs like Adobe Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve. So I'll give that a smiley face, and my video is ready. So now I can click on this button to save it to my computer. I'll save it to my desktop. Click on save, and it should be downloaded, as you can see here. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.